Squeaks and Creaks Sound Effects is a collection of over 1,500 sound effects that provides you with all the large and small, household and industrial, metal, wood, plastic, and glass squeaking and creaking variations you could need. These broadcast wave files are provided in their original high-definition 24-bit 96K format on 2 DVD ROMs with fully embedded metadata and a separate list of the complete contents. As a bonus, a 24-bit 48K version of Squeaks and Creaks is also included on DVD too. The Squeaks and Creaks Sound Effects Library from Sound Ideas.